Right guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Today we're going to unbox this little ratchet set. It's a 16-in-1 ratchet screwdriver by Xiaomi, or Mi. There you go. This will set you back about 17 euros. When I saw it in the shop, it looked quite sturdy. And believe it or not, today was a day where I actually needed one of these. So let's have a look. There it is. Well, so far so good. It looks really nice. That's the main bit. And in true Xiaomi fashion, covered in this other plastic. So plastic in plastic. Let me get this open. So there it is. Okay. It's actually quite sturdy, unlike any other ratchet set I've had. And press that, and those are all your bits in there. Which, yes, because I tend to lose all my stuff. Alright, let's see. Nice. That's made of some durable plastic, that stuff. Right, let's see what else is in here. There's this extra long bit. There you go. Let's get that out. Nice. Okay, so that's empty. And this basically goes in the top here. Oh, nice. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I like this. I can't wait to use this proper. Okay, so that's it. 16 euros. And you got that. Comes out. You've got all your necessary bits. Yes, whatever you need. Is there anything else in there? Absolutely nothing. Oh, you beaut. Oh, I like that. I'm well impressed with that. So here, as you can see, that's just normal, so it doesn't move. That will go to the left. And that one goes to the right. Brilliant. I'm well impressed with this. I actually really enjoyed this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this little unboxing of the Mi 16-in-1 ratchet screwdriver. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.